Mastering the art of document flow in PandaDoc is now at your fingertips. Ever found yourself needing to rearrange the order of pages in your PandaDoc document? It's a common task, and luckily, PandaDoc makes it incredibly simple. Let's dive into exactly how to do it. First, you'll need to be in the editing view of your PandaDoc document. Look to the left-hand sidebar, where you'll see all of your document's pages listed in their current order. To begin moving a page, simply click and hold your mouse button down on the specific page thumbnail you wish to relocate. You'll notice the thumbnail becomes slightly highlighted, and the cursor will change, indicating you are now ready to drag. Now, while still holding the mouse button, drag the selected page thumbnail to its new desired position. Within the sidebar, you'll see a horizontal line appear, showing you exactly where that page will be inserted once you release your mouse. Once you've found the perfect spot, simply release the mouse button. Voila! Your page has been successfully moved. Your document's content will now reflect this new arrangement, ensuring a logical and professional flow for your recipients. This simple drag-and-drop functionality is key to creating clear, concise, and impactful documents. It allows you to tailor the presentation of information precisely to your needs. So next time you're organizing your PandaDoc, remember how easy it is to reorder your pages for optimal clarity. Give it a try and experience the difference for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful PandaDoc tips.